This is a signature dish that can be had here in Eleuthera. And Di would have already made the pineapple jam. She's bottling the same right now. And I've been told that we're going to have some samples in just a bit, right? Anybody got the bread? Jackie's going to get some bread to go with the jam that we have here. But we have a nice group of persons assembled, ladies and gentlemen. And as I would have mentioned before, the smell is absolutely amazing. It's intoxicating, in fact. And we've been drawing a nice crowd here. And so here at the Geogery Town 32nd Annual Pineapple Festival, it's only fitting that we have a local treat. This beautiful, beautiful jam. It has a beautiful color to it. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a master craftsman indeed. And she's meticulously sealing each bottle. And of course, that's done to preserve it properly, right? We don't want to have mildew, any of that sort of stuff getting into it. Native Show, and today we're here with two lovely visitors. And of course, tell us your names.
Erin.
Erin and?
Robin.
And where are you visiting from, ladies?
We're from Ohio.
Absolutely delightful to have you here with us. Listen, how did you find out about the Pineapple Festival?
I have seen it everywhere.
Really?
It has been on the websites. It's been posted on posters.
Wow.
Everyone at the resort has been talking about it.
Fantastic.
So we had to come.
Great.
Yeah.
Now, is this your first time to Eleuthera?
Yes.
Good, good. And you just arrived recently or?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. You didn't come by yesterday?
No, we were tired from traveling, but we knew we had to make it today.
We went to the beach.
So what have you been trying here at the festival that you find of interest thus far?
We heard that we had to try Maddie's.
Yes.
So we went straight to Maddie's and we had the kebabs. They were awesome.
And he's on the grill, right?
Yes.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
What did you like?
That's what I had, the kebab.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Oh, wow. And how long is your trip here?
It was about 4 hours of travel. It was easy.
Okay, but how long are you here for?
Oh, we're here for a week.
Right.
Till Thursday, yeah,
Right.
Friday.
Okay.
Yeah.
First time to the Bahamas?
Yes.
Great. We're so happy that you're here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
We're so happy to be here. We love it.
Good. Are you going to stay for the entertainment later on?
Maybe.
Well, thank you so much again.
Thank you.
Native Show. And today we're here with Grill Master Extraordinaire. This is Brother Matty. What you got on the grill today, man?
We got some kebabs here. We got some barbecue ribs, pork chop, chicken leg quarters.
Now you're telling me you did a special shish kebab just for the festival here today?
Yeah, I just add a little pineapple to it. You know.
Oh man, sweet Eleuthera pineapple, and that's in the shish kebab. What else you got in that?
We have sweet potato, we have tomatoes and onions.
And they can get that.
And the meat is steak.